So in this video, we will start with an exercise for if condition, and we'll practice all the things that we have learned together in a combination. This is Swapti Party, and let us start with the video. So the question is, write a script to take your mobile number as an input from the user, and when you take the input, you have to check if the length of the input is 10 or not. If the length is not 10, just print yes or no, whatever statement you want to print, that is on you. You have to print a statement. So what I want you to do, just pause the video because I will solve the question obviously. So pause it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever time you need. Take your time, write a script, write anything, any kind of code. Wrong, right, doesn't matter. If you're stuck, think for some time, even take a day if you want to, and come back and continue the video after a pause. So I will give you some time to pause it, and just pause it and come back again after writing a script and compare your script with my script. So welcome back. If you have done the script good, I hope you have written the script and you will check it. Okay. So let's start it. What you need to do, you need to divide the code in several parts. What you will do, you need to know few things, that you need to take an input. Okay. As we all know, the default input is always string, but right now you are just checking the length. So the type of input doesn't matter. We only going to check the length of this input. Okay. Second thing, what you want to take, you need to check the if condition. So how will you do this? You take a variable mobile number. Okay, this is your input. In this input you will say, please enter your. Okay, after this, obviously put some space there so it is easier to write. Okay, after this, simply go on the next line. What you need to do, whatever input you're taking, you check the length. Okay, you're checking the length of number. Okay, and to do this, you simply check the length of. Okay, when you check the length of the number, what you need to do, you just check the condition. So what you do, if the condition, so the length of mobile number is greater than 10, is greater than 10. Okay, uh, sorry, not greater than 10, equals to 10, we will check equals to 10. Print, what you can print, thanks for input. Okay, in the next line, what you can do, you can also check if the condition is not true. Say else, print, please try again, only 10 digits allowed. Okay, something like this. You need to make it more creative and more sensible in your own ways. I'm just writing in a single shot. You can obviously make a better code than this if you practice a little hard. Okay, and after this, if you're checking the condition, you have also taking the input, you're checking the condition. We can also add few things. Let us run this one much first, then we'll again improve it. Okay, so I'm giving the input. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. So my number is not ready. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 and 0. I'm giving a 10 number digit. Thanks for the input. Okay, great. Let's run it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I'm giving the input. Please try again. Only 10 digit allows is there. Okay, so I think it is perfectly working. No issue with this. And let us again take the code. Okay, you can add few things in this too. So second version, what you can do here, so now like you are taking the input, now you are asking the user, give the some input, you're checking the length. What if the length is greater, if the length is smaller, what do you need to do? Okay, what you can do, if is greater than 10, then print you entered more than 10 digit. Same scenario, again taking it, and in this, what you will write, you will write the opposite. So if the value is less than 10, you will write less than 10 digits. Okay. And if both and one of the condition will always be true, and nothing, if nothing really works, we have the backup, that is else might never get executed. In this case, we simply give the input now. Say I'm just giving this input and this is my output. You have entered the less than the 10 digits. Okay, again I'm running this and say I'm giving this one input, you entered the more than 10 digits. So this is a better version. So with each iteration you can improve the code. It is on you how much you can improve the code. You should always try to make a code as better as possible, and keep trying this and improve this. Thank you.